Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the addition and subtraction in money. Okay, addition and subtraction is nothing difficult in money. It is easy money, but only thing how to arrange the rupees and pays in columns, separate columns. Okay, first we arrange the rupees and pays in the separate column, and the pays should have always 2 digits. The pays should have always 2 digits. Okay, if any digit is missing, you can in that place you can put 0 so that it will be easy for you to add or subtract. And suppose if only money in the two, you need at least 2 amount to add otherwise subtract. So in that case, suppose in one amount if there is only rupees and there is no pays, and in another amount there is a rupees and pays, in that case which is having rupees, in that place you in the pays place you have to add, you have to put 0. Okay, that I will explain here how to do. Okay, now here add rupees 315 and 75 paise and 863 and 5 paise you have to add. Okay, so first let's arrange them in columns of rupees and paise. So let's make it like this, and this will be, this both rupees and paise will be separated with the dot, that is a point. Okay, so this is now 315 75, this both together one amount. Okay, so this is rupees, so that you will write, you will arrange it in the rupees place. Again keep a dot to separate the rupees and paise, and here 75 paise, so that you arrange under the paise. Okay, and these both are one amount, so it should be in a horizontal line. Okay, it cannot be one is up, one is down, both should be there on the same line. Next one, 863 rupees and 5 paise. So 863 is the rupees, so you will arrange it under rupees. Okay, and the digits should be in order. We will arrange from this side only. Suppose if it is only 2 digits, so okay, you write 63 means only you will write like this. Okay, you won't write like this. Okay, don't arrange from this side. Okay, you have to arrange from here. Okay, now here how many paise is there? 0, 5. 5 paise is there, so you will write like this. Okay, now you will add 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 you will write and 1 you will write. 1 plus 7, 8. Suppose here you are getting 10. If 0 you will not write here 100. Okay, only 0 you will write here, and this 1 you will carry to the rupees place. Okay, now let's add here 5 plus 3, 8, and this is separated with the point. 1 plus 6, 7, 8 plus 3, 11. So the amount is 1178 and 80 paise. This is the answer. By adding we are getting. Okay, now let's see the subtraction here. Subtract rupees 232 and 70 paise from rupees 500. Okay, and I told you in subtraction you have to write, you have to see the word from. Okay, from is given. After that what is given, that only you will write first. Okay, so let's write rupees and paise. So after from what is given, 500 rupees. This is rupees, not paise. There is no paise at all. Okay, so 500 you will write in the rupees place, and there is no paise. So in paise place you will put 0. Paise always you should have 2 digits, so you put 2 zeros. Okay, now let's write the subtracting amount. That is 232 rupees and 70 paise. So 232 rupees and 70 paise. So let's minus now. Okay, we are going to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. You cannot minus here, 0 is smaller, so you have to borrow from the rupees. Okay, so here also 0 is there, so from 5 you will borrow, so 4 will remain, and here you can borrow to the next digit. Okay, you cannot jump from one digit to another. Okay, you can go to the next digit only. So here you will get 10, so from this 10 only you will borrow to the next digit. So here you will remain 9, since you are getting here, you will get 10 here. Again from this 10, 1 you will leave there, so 9 will remain, and here now it will become 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. Now 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 2, 3. So the answer is 267 rupees and 30 paise. Okay, this is the way how to subtract. This is all I was explaining. There is only rupees there. There is no money, no paise. Okay, so since there is no paise, so in that place you have to put 0 so that you won't make mistake. So rupees arrange in rupees column, paise you arrange in paise column, then you won't make mistake. Okay, let's see now how to make the bill. Okay, next one. Ramesh bought a drum for rupees 210 and 50 paise a bucket for rupees 150 and 75 paise and a mirror for rupees 86 and 75 paise. He gave rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. How much money will he get back? Okay, so he bought three things and he gave 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much he will get back? You have to find out. So first let's make the amount how much he purchased now. So for that let's make a bill. Okay. So to make a bill, last year you have learned. So the same way you can make it. You make two columns. Okay. So in this column you write what are things are purchased. Okay. And here you write the amount in rupees and paise. Okay. Here you write the rupees and here you write the paise. And you can add it. Okay, just you make a table like this. So first he bought a drum. Okay, so drum, and drum is how much? Rupees 210 and 50 paise. So 210 I am writing in rupees place and 50 is paise. So I am writing in 50 in paise place. Again a bucket. Bucket. So bucket. The amount of bucket is 150 and 75 paise. So 150 arrange in rupees, 75 is paise, you arrange in the paise. Again, mirror. He bought a mirror. So mirror is 86 rupees and 75 paise. So 86. See the columns no? When you arrange, you have to put into. Okay, this is only 2 digits, this is 3 digits. So arrange properly and 75 paise. Okay. So now the total amount. So how much this one? How much he has bought? Total amount. To find the total amount, you have to add. So this 3 you will add. So let's add now 5 plus 5. First you have to always add the paise. First you have to add always the paise. Okay, don't add the rupees. You will add the paise after completing that. If any carryover is there, you will carry over to the rupees. Then only you will add the rupees. Okay. Before adding the paise, don't add the rupees. Then you will get a wrong answer. 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 you will write 1. You will carry here. Now 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. Okay, so 20, so 0 you will write, you will not write 20 here. Okay, here in paise place, you have to write only 2 digits. You will not write 3 digits, okay, only 2 digits you will write. So 0 only you will write and this 2 you will carry to the rupees. This 2 you will carry to the rupees and now you will add here. 2 plus 6, 8 and here 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. So 4 you will write here, 1 you will carry here, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 448 rupees and 0 paise. Okay, 448 rupees and 0 paise. So this is the bill amount. Okay, so how much he has bought it. Okay, and he gave 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay, so now we have to find out how much he will get back. So to find the get back one, you have to minus. So let's say first money given to the shopkeeper. Money given. Money given. Always arrange in rupees and paise so you won't make a mistake. Okay. So it is 500 rupees and there is no paise. So in paise place you put 0, 2 digits. So 2 zeros. Again the bill amount. So how much was the bill amount? How much he has bought? He has bought it for 448 rupees and 0 paise. So 448 is the rupees, so arrange in rupees and 0 paise. Okay, now given back amount. Okay, is the amount given back. Otherwise, money got back. Money returned, otherwise money got back. Anything we can write. Okay, so to find the returned money, no, you have to minus here. So here this both are 0, so 0 minus 0, 0 only. Now this both you cannot minus. This is small, this is big. So if you borrow, so you have to borrow from 5 only. So if you give 1, 4 will remain and this will be 10. So from 10 you will give 1, so 9 will remain and here you will get 10 now. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. So 0 no need to write. So it is 52 rupees. So here the money returned back is 52 rupees. This is the answer. Okay, this is the way you have to do. And in the exercise also problems it is given which item is costlier and by how much. There you will do the subtraction. Again which item she will save more. Okay, so that type of is asked means you will subtract. Okay, so that is easy only, nothing is difficult, you can do it by yourself. If you find anything difficult, just message me. Thank you.